I have A, I have P, E's a number, I have T. Can I find K? Yeah, so go ahead and find K. You're going to put everything where it goes in the formula. And you're going to say that 0.03125 equals 1 times E to the K times 820 seconds.
Yep. 0.004.
So we do ln of 0.03125, hit enter, and divide it by 820. And that's my K. That's not what they're asking for. They're not saying what is the constant.
What's the K?
They're saying what is the half-life. So K equals negative 0.0042265.072. Make sure you get that on your calculator. Now I want to find the half-life. K is K. It's called a constant. What does constant mean?
It's always there.
It doesn't change. Yes, it's always that.
So we just probably all the way back.
So now we go back to half-life. If in half-life I start with 1, I end with 1/2. We know K. We're going to plug that in. And we need to find the T. Okay? So what we're going to do is ln of 1/2 over that ugly number K will give me the T. So this will give you 164 seconds of half-life. That means we know that 1 whatever, pound, gram, whatever, turned into 0.03125. Well, that's not 820 seconds is way more than the half-life because it went way below half. So we know the answer is going to be somewhere between 0 and 820. Do you understand that? If the half-life of a radioactive decay of zirconium 84 is 26 minutes, so half-life equals 26 minutes. And I start with 175 gram sample. How much is left after 104 minutes, okay? Well, first of all, if they give you the half-life, we do ln of 1/2 over 26 will give you K. We found half-life because when you were given, we were given half-life. When you're given half-life, K is ln of 1/2 divided by that number. So you can find K easily. Now let's look at the problem. If they said they started with 175, that's the principal value, and they want to know what the ending value is. This is actually an easy question. They want A, and I know that K is negative 0.0266, blah, 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 blah. And they want to know what happens after 104 minutes. So all we do,
minutes, it doesn't matter?
we use the 26 like you use a friend with a pool in the fall. You don't need them anymore
Oh, right.
because the pool's closed. So 175, A equals 175 times E to that second answer, negative 0.0266 times 104. So everybody put that in your calculator.